Welcome to Vanderhopper Guide, a fantasy come true. Sintra is tucked away in the hills west of Lisbon and has vibrant buildings, verdant gardens, and centuries of royal history. This video will walk you around Sintra's top attractions, particularly its enchanted places and gardens. Let's explore. Number 1, Pena Palace. Sitting high above the clouds, Pena Palace is the crown jewel of Sintra with its red and yellow towers, tiled walkway, and breathtaking views. It feels straight out of a fantasy story. Inside, you will find royal rooms preserved with furniture and decor from the 19th century. The next is Quinta da Regaleira. The mysterious and enchanted estate Quinta da Regaleira is known for its magical gardens, underground tunnels, and the famous well, the spiral staircase that leads deep underground. The palace itself is beautifully Catholic, but the real magic is in wandering the gardens and discovering secret paths and symbols. The next place in the list is Moorish Castle. Hike up to the Moorish Castle, an old fortification constructed in the 18th century for expansive panoramic views. Admire breathtaking views of Sintra, the Atlantic Ocean, and neighboring palaces as you stroll along the stone walls that wind over the hills. It's where adventure and history collides. The next is Montserrat Palace, a lesser known gem. Montserrat is a romantic palace with a mix of Gothic, Indian, and Moorish style. Its botanical gardens feature over 3,000 plant species from around the world, making it perfect for nature lovers and peaceful walks. It's less crowded yet equally beautiful. And the next on the list is National Palace of Sintra. Right in the center of the town, this whitewashed palace with twin chimneys was once home to Portuguese royalty. Inside, explore royal chambers, tiled walls, and rooms like the Swan Room and the Coat of the Arms Room, each with its own story and design. And the next on the list is Chalet the Condesa de Etla. Hidden inside Pena Park, this charming 19th century Swiss style chalet was built by King Ferdinand II for his beloved countess. Surrounded by romantic gardens, it's quiet, cozy, and filled with personal touches, perfect for those seeking a lesser known spot. The next palace on the list is Cietia's Palace. It is a neoclassical building with stunning arcs and scenic gardens. Though now a luxury hotel, visitors can still admire its architecture, views of the Pena Palace and Moorish Castle, and the calm atmosphere it offers. Sintra is more than just a palace to visit, it's a magical, colorful, and historical experience. Every area of Sintra has a story to tell, from secret gardens to royal mansions. For more travel guides like this one, please hit the bell, like, and subscribe if you like this video.